welcome to Violet Connie Art. Today I have a sketchbox for you. I seen another YouTuber doing Sketchbox unboxing and I wanted to try it out. I probably won't get it again even without opening the contents. It took a long time to get here, to get to Australia, and the price of the postage was probably too much in comparison to the pricing of the Sketchbox, the Scrawlbox I should say. This one was a lot more expensive, but maybe I should hold judgment until I see what's inside. So let's have a little look. Oh, and it's got artwork on the side here, and that's by art by Maddie Humphreys, which is an Instagram profile just there. Open this. It's always nice to try things for at least one time anyway. Okay, what have we got in here? Interesting. Look at this. Oh, what is this? It's a Spectrum Noir Aqua Tint water reactive brush pens. Oh, I have not tried water brush pens before. It looks really nice, and it looks like a nice color. Okay, so far so good. What's this one? It's a Sketchbox signature color brush in orange or yellow probably. It's the ink looks orange though. Then we have, oh, look at all these. This is gorgeous. Oh, purple! Yay! I'm so pleased I have a purple. Often things don't have purple, and this one does. Great. So another brush, ink brush. Push this back a little bit, and oh, that's going to spoil it. Sketchbox sticker. Oh, what's this? Graphics Aqua Pen. Okay. Graphics Aqua Pens. They look like they're twin tip. So they're water pens. This will be really good for the upcoming Inktober, which I'm participating in for the first time. Oh, very nice. So they have blue and a bullet nib and a brush nib by the looks of it. Okay. And there's a nice, get them out, selection of colours in there. They are gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Okay, what else is in? Oh, there is more. Oop. Fumbly fingers. An artist pit pen by Faber-Castell and dark indigo. I got one of these in the bullet journal Scrawlbox, so now I have two. And this one's a darker colour, so it'll be nice to try that out. I'm a bit wonky with showing things on the camera today. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, they've got a little art print. And it's by, I'm not going to try and pronounce her name, but it's very beautiful. Looks like she might have used the supplies in this box, which is very nice. And, oh, okay, so it's got pricing. I'm guessing this is in American dollars. Pricing on here for each item. Interesting box. There's no prompt or anything as far as I can see. It's just draw what you like. Okay, really cool. I'm interested to get started with this. It's got some very nice supplies that I haven't used before, so very happy. Awesome.
So as usual, I just start out by swatching out the colours, and unfortunately that wasn't a purple, it was blue. It just kind of looked purple to me at first, but oh well. The colours are really gorgeous and they seem to go together really well, and I have a lot of fun playing with them. I actually got the idea of getting a sketchbox from another YouTuber, Taylor from Seeded Art, and I'm going to leave a link to her channel down below in the description and up in the card to check out her channel and her art, because it's just beautiful. And I wouldn't have got this without her. So yeah, after you've watched this video, go and check out Taylor's channel at Seeded Art. So I decided to draw a couple of flamingos. There was no prompt, so I just looked at the supplies and I really wanted to use that pink colour, and so I decided to do the flamingos. I used the Faber-Castell pen to outline, and I had such wobbly hands. I struggled with it a lot, but I got there in the end. And I used a little bit of the yellow on the wings and then painted over the top with the pink and blended it together. And all of the pens, except for the Faber-Castell Pitt pen, reactivated with water, so you could move them around and kind of blend them together, and it was kind of fun to do. I'd not used supplies like this before. It kind of reminded me a little bit of watercolor, which I really enjoy using. So yeah, I really kind of had fun. It was very relaxing sitting and doing this piece. So at the end of this video, my son creates some artwork with these supplies as well, and we also time-lapsed his art as well. So that will be after this one, and I'm going to leave you over to some music for the rest of this, and I'll be back when he begins to do his artwork. So here's my final artwork. And here's my son's artwork. He decided to draw a pirate drinking rum, and you'll see the process that he goes through. I'm really proud of his work. He always puts a lot of effort in and does a really good job. So enjoy. Here's my son's final artwork. It looks really good. I'm very proud of him. And here is our artwork side by side. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.